My dear learners, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Let's go to the lesson. Dear students, today we will learn about parts of speech in details. Okay? Thank you. At first, we have to know what is parts of speech. Different kinds of words are called parts of speech. Okay. Next, how many kinds of parts of speech? There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition and conjunction. Okay, my dear learners, now we have to learn every kinds of parts of speech in details. Okay, at first, noun. Do you know about noun? A naming word is called a noun. Noun may be person, place and things. For example, 3 nouns are written on the whiteboard. Rohim, Dhaka and fish. These are known to you as noun. Have you any problem? Thank you. Next, pronoun. What is pronoun? The word that we use instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay, my dear learners. For example, we can say he, they, it. These are known to you as pronouns. Next, number 3, adjective. What is adjective? Actually, adjective means adding. And adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Clear? For example, good, happy, clever, small. These are adjectives. Next, number 4, verb. Dear students, we can make sentence without subject, without object, but it is a matter of sorrow that we cannot make a single sentence without any verb. So I think its importance is bigger description, such as do, eat, go. These are verb. Next, adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or any other adverb. Clear? For example, we can say very, fast, quickly, swiftly. These are adverbs. Next, preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation of that noun or pronoun with any other word of the sentences. For example, we can say, to, in, for, from, into. These are pronouns. Okay, my dear learners. Next, conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to add or join words or sentences. Clear? Such as and, but, or. These are adverbs. Finally, interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling. For example, hooray, bravo, alas. These are interjection. Dear students, now look at the whiteboard and listen to me. Hooray! Rana got the first prize and showed it instantly to his parents. This is a complete sentence. There are different kinds of parts of speech are written in this sentence. You have to identify what kinds of parts of speech are written in the sentence. Listen to me. First, noun. A naming of a word is called a noun. What is noun in this sentence? Rana is a noun. Okay. Next, pronoun. What is pronoun in this sentence? He is a pronoun. Next, adjective. What is adjective in this sentence? First is a adjective. Next, verb. What is verb in this sentence? Got, showed. Two verbs are written in this sentence. Next, adverb. What is adverb? Instantly. It is an adverb. Next, preposition. What is preposition? To is a preposition. Next, conjunction. What is conjunction? And is a conjunction. At last, interjection. What is interjection? At first, hooray. Dear students, it is an interesting sentence where you can easily find all kinds of parts of speech. I think you will memorize these sentences with carefully. In the next class, you will learn about parts of speech in details. Thank you.